everyone, welcome back to Connect to Learn. Today we are going to learn about all the divisibility rules till number 11. First of all, we are going to start with number 2. How can we know that if a big number is divisible by 2 or not? Just follow the last unit here. If it is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Now the next number, as you can see, the last unit is 1. 1, we cannot divide 1 by 2, right? It is going to give us a remainder. So we are going to say that this whole number is not divisible by 2. How to check that if a number is divisible by 3? Here we are going to add all the digits of a number. So here we are having 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. How much is it? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So we say that whole number is divisible by 3. If we talk about the next number, here we have 5, 3, 1, 1. So let's add 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. We cannot divide 10 with 3, right? So we say the whole number is not divisible by this 3. So let's learn about the next. We are having now the rules of number 4 and 5. As you can see here, the two numbers are given. So what is a rule to check if the number is divisible by 4? So just look at the last pair of a number. So last two numbers are 64. So just check that can we divide 64 with 4? Yes, it is going to come at 1 here and 6 here. So 16 is our answer. We can divide 64 with 4. So it means the full number 864 is divisible by 4. So let's mark it here. Next is 805. So last numbers are 05. I don't think that we can divide 5 with 4. So we are going to say that the whole number 805 is not divisible by 4. Now, how to check if number is divisible by 5 or not? Here, just look at the last number, unit place number. If it is 0 or 5, then we say that the whole number is divisible by 5. Otherwise, it's not. So here it is 4, it is not 0, it is not 5. So we say that it is not divisible by 5. So let's cross it. Next is last number is 5. So we say 5 is divisible by 5. So it means 805 is divisible by 5. Let's mark it. Next is the number 7. Now 7 is very, very clever, right? So here, what do? We are going to double the last unit, last number. So double of 3 is going to give us 6. Now we are going to subtract 6 from the leftover number. Leftover number means 76 is left. So let's see how much is 76 minus 6. That gives us 70. So here you see 70 is divisible by 7. It means the whole number is divisible by 7. So similarly, can we try the next number? What is the double of 3 again? That is 6. Here we are going to subtract 6 from 86. That is giving us 80 here. So we say that 80 is not divisible by 7. So it means the full number is not divisible by 7. So we are going to cross it. Next, we are going to learn about the number 8. How do we know that if a number is divisible by 8 or not? Here, we are going to look at the last three numbers. 400 we got. So you tell me that 400 is divisible by 8 or not? If we are going to divide it, 8 times 5 gives you 40. So 5 here and this 0 comes here. So it is 50. We can divide 400 with 8. So we say the whole number is divisible by 8. Next number we are having 640, right? So let's check 640. Divisible by 8 or not? Oh, 8 times 8 gives us 8, right? So we put 1 zeros. It is going at 80. So if we are able to divide 640 with 80, it means 1640 is also divisible by 8, right? Let's check the next one. What do we have next? It's number 9. So here we are going to see that how we can check a number 15,632 is divisible by 9 or not. Well, here the rule is repeating. it is similar to the number 3. We are going to add the numbers 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. And how much it is? Let's see. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So, now you say 17 is divisible by 9 or not? I would say it is not. So, it means the whole number is not divisible by 9, right? So, if we are taking 243, let's check this one. Here, 2 plus 4 plus 3. How much is it? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So, 9 is divisible by 9. So, we say the whole number is divisible by 9. Let's mark it. Next number we have is 10. We are having two numbers here. 10 is very simple. If we are having the 0 at the last, at the unit place, then that number is divisible by 10. Otherwise, it's not. So you can see here the last unit. I want you to answer this question that out of these two numbers, which number is divisible by 10 or not? Next, we are having 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? We are going to add the numbers alternatively. So the yellow ones, and I'm highlighting it with the blue one. So you see, we are going to add 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1. What are we getting here? 4 on both of the sides. Now, after this, we are going to calculate the difference. What is the difference here? 4 minus 4 gives us 0. So, I think we can divide 0 by 11. This is going to give us the answer as 0 only. So, yes, we can divide this number with 11. Now, similarly, can we check the next one? Yes. So, let's highlight the alternate numbers we are getting here. So, the other numbers are these, right? So, let's add all the numbers. The yellow ones are 1 plus 3 plus 1. And the blue ones are 5 plus 2. What are you getting here? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Here you are getting 7. So what is the difference over here? Difference is 7 minus 5, which is 2. We say that 2 is not divisible by 11, right? So it means that this whole number is not divisible by 11. So here you can see that we have done all the numbers till 11, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned something new. Thank you for watching us and connect to learn more.